Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to find all your group recommendations on the Facebook app when using a PC, especially after the latest update where things have slightly changed. If you've been wondering where Facebook hides your suggested groups now, don't worry, it's still there, just a bit more tucked away. Let's go step by step so you can find it quickly. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook on your PC browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on your profile photo to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another list of options. Now, go ahead and click on Settings to access your account settings page. After that, look on the left-hand side or within the settings options and find Activity Log. Click on it to open a detailed view of everything related to your account activity. Now, inside the activity log, you'll see different sections. Look for the option called Your Facebook Activity and click on it to expand more categories. From here, scroll down until you find Groups. Click on Groups to see all group-related activities tied to your account. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Your Group Recommendations. Click on it, and this is where Facebook shows all the group suggestions based on your interests, activity, and interactions. This section is really useful if you want to rediscover groups you didn't join earlier or explore communities that match your interests. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your group recommendations on Facebook using your PC after the new update.